to this video. I am Abhivarman. Today we are going to see how to add a WooCommerce coupon field to your checkout page. Before starting with the video, do subscribe to our channel for more useful content. So a WooCommerce coupon field is a feature that allows customer to apply a discount code or coupon on the checkout page during the buying process by entering a valid coupon code. So now let's see how to enable WooCommerce coupon field in your checkout page. Open your WordPress dashboard. Go to WooCommerce, select settings, and you can scroll it down and you can see a feature enable coupons. So you can click on enable the use of coupon codes and you can save changes. Yes, it's been updated. Now you can open your store. You can go to your shop. You can add few products to your cart. Now view cart. So in the cart you can see the coupon field is successfully applied. So the above steps are the brief information on how to add a WooCommerce coupon field to your cart. Thanks for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.